Hey, you having trouble getting reviews for your business? Today we're going to talk about how to request reviews and go high level. All right, let's just jump into it. You'll come into the Launchpad here. This is just a fake business name here to show today. You'll go down to reputation. You will go in here, and it's as simple as hitting the send a review request, the blue button in the top right. You will then find the contact. You put that information in there. If they're not in the system already, you can type in their name and phone number, and then you choose if you want to do email or SMS. If you just want to send SMS, you would go there. It'll put in the auto message with the Google review link that we've already done. And then you just hit send review request, and that's going to automatically send a text from your business number in GoHighLevel to the customer. And then if you have it set up in your settings to auto send, it'll send it every 3 days is what we have it set up, and try 2 times. So if they don't answer that first time, they'll try again in 3 days. So this is a real easy way to get more reviews when you're using GoHighLevel for your local service business. Hopefully that was helpful. Like below, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.